Right, we have room tour 7236, Wonder of the Seas Junior Suite. And it is a great combination of luxury, space, and value. I love the openness of this room. It's got the larger balcony, which we will get to. One of the best things I love about these junior suites is they have the walk-in closet. Lots of space there in that walk-in closet. And let's check out the bathroom. It's a average size bathroom. It's got the tub. Sometimes it's difficult to get in and out of that, so you have to be careful, but it's got a single sink, so it's nothing special here. Full-length mirror, lots of space here. And this is your drawers. You got a little bit of hanging space there. Lots of drawers. You got your mini fridge. You have your lavazza, and never in my life have I ever used one of these things. I'm gonna try it on this cruise, just to see. You have these little hooks you can hold things on, but I recommend the magnetic hooks. I'm gonna have a separate video just for the magnetic hooks. But again, like I think I commented on one of my videos, something's missing here. It'd be nice if they had a little table, like a landing or something, a console or something, but nothing's there, just a lot of space. So, you know, what we would probably do is move this chair into that corner and move the table over there. Then you got a really big area here, but it's up to you. The TV does kind of angle out. You can watch it from your bed. You have USB adapters and ports there. You have plenty of outlets and ports. I like to bring a European adapter, and this way you have extra plugins. And then the nice balcony. We are on the midship, sort of on the hump. And look at this balcony. It's a nice deep balcony. Wow, very nice. Let's come out here and check it out. See how we're on the hump? Kind of juts out a little bit. So we're on this midship hump here at Port Canaveral, and that's a beautiful balcony. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when we rearrange the room, like I just mentioned. Okay, so here's how I rearrange the room. I simply put the recliner, or the chair, not a recliner, but the chair there. I left the coffee table there in the center. If there was an ottoman, of course I would put it there, but there is no ottoman. So I left the table here, kind of centrally located closer to the couch. So if you do order room service, which we may do this cruise, you have a nice place to sit, or you can easily do it, except for there's no table out here.
There's no table?
There's a little tiny thing. It'd be nice to have a bistro table out here, but...
Table for one.
Yeah, boy, oh boy. That's good for like 2 cups of coffee. So this should have a larger table in my opinion, but I think we can ask for one if we really wanted it. But you know, we have room service. We'll probably eat it in here. This is bigger. So that is your room tour of 7236 Junior Suite, Wonder of the Seas. Thank you for watching, and please hit the thumbs up so everyone knows the video is helpful. Thank you, and peace out.